What's up, Money Monday? It is Money Monday. Money Monday. I'll wait just a few minutes, so we'll start right at 7. What time is it? It's 6:59, so we're almost there. What's up? What's up? Hello. Welcome to Money Monday, where you guys ask me a question. You can DM me. If you don't know, you can DM me, and I will answer it right here on Money Monday. So I have been talking about engagement, social media engagement. And as hairstylists, as glampreneurs, we have multiple hats that we deal with on a regular basis. We are CEOs of our business. We are the talent of our business. We have to budget, inventory, contact clients, all of these things. And so adding social media to market yourself can be a lot. I feel like my light is a lot, actually. Yeah, it is. Boom. There we go. That's much better. Okay. So having social media to market our business is a lot as well. However, if you start planning your social media ahead of time, you can stay consistent. And with consistency brings engagement. So the very first step that I'm going to share with you to brand yourself right here on Instagram is to know your message and know the target audience that you're talking to. So, for example, I am a business coach for hairstylists. My target audience is you, the glampreneur. So I always come up with content that is going to be helpful for you. So for example, every week I come up with one topic and then I post on those topics in different ways. For example, let's see, 2 weeks ago, I talked about budgeting and taxes. So my theme for the week was, it's all about taxes and bookkeeping. And then within that, I talked about bookkeeping. I talked about if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. Like everything throughout the week was surrounding that topic. And I planned it the week before. So what I like to do, so that marketing, being a business coach and making sure that I give you guys valuable content, I like to plan my social media a Sunday before the week. So for example, this Sunday, I will be posting and planning my social media for next week. That means I already have an idea of what I'm going to post. So number one, know the message that you're going to talk to. And if you choose one theme for the week, it's easier for you to plan your post. Number two, you are going to have that topic in mind, and then you know what to post throughout the week. And then the last thing is that you are going to have a bank. So what do I mean by having a bank? So I don't always know when I'm going to use content, when I'm going to use pictures, if I'm going to do a reel. I don't always know. So I have a picture bank, a video bank. I have everything. So whenever I'm going to do a client, especially if it's a really good transformation, I'm going to take a before and after picture. I'm going to take a video throughout to make sure that I get some good angles, and then I can create a reel out of that. Or I can do a tutorial of how I did it. Or I can just post the after picture. But I have a bank so that the times that I don't know what I'm going to post, I at least have a bank. So now I'm going to really show you guys the process of how I plan social media. So a while back, I created a content planner that I originally created for myself, but I was just like, you know what? If anyone wants this, then here we go. So I created this content planner because it helped me think through the process. It's something that's in Good Notes. And, ooh, my light. Ooh, there we go. Ooh, there we go. Okay, let's see how I can show you guys. So what my content planner does, let's go to January. So at the top, let's see if I turn this light, there we go. At the top of every single week, or even at the top of the month. So like this is January, and this is a blank content planner, but let's see, like the end of February, what I'll start doing is I'll start thinking about every single week. So you guys know I have a podcast. I post here on social media. I'm working on my YouTube. I'm doing Money Mondays. And I want to make sure that every single message makes sense. So at the top of each week, I will put what is my topic for the week. So remember I talked about bookkeeping. I'll go ahead and put that. This is my topic for the week. Then after I do that, I'll say what's going to post. So on Wednesday, every other Wednesday, there is a Life After Beauty School podcast that gets posted. Boom. That's going to be my topic for Life After Beauty School, right? So I am planning out ahead of time. This is what you call batch producing so that you can stay consistent. Then if you scroll down in the content planner, I create the deadlines. Is there any major events? So if you're a hairstylist and you're posting here on social media and you're like, is there something, maybe you want to do a giveaway or a referral program or something that you are doing to create more engagement on your page, you can plan that out right here. So at the end of the day, it's all about planning. Like, how can you plan your social media so you can stay consistent? And if you do that one day out of the week, or maybe do it at the top of the month so that way you have all your social media posts planned and then you can schedule it, use an app to schedule it, and it can remind you to post, or it can post for you. Personally, I like to post for myself, so I just give a reminder like, hey, Deandra. The app will say, hey, Deandra, you created this post. You need to post it right now, okay? So then as I go through this content planner, sometimes if you guys are like me, you get random ideas. These are all my random real ideas that I have just from listening to songs or whatever, and I'll post them. I also post reels for Keratin Complex, so I have to think through these things, right? And then last but not least, right here, I will break down, if you'll see all the different social media, I will break down what I'm doing and I'll post it. And personally, I like to post on different mediums on different days. So your target audience, going back to that client avatar, if you know that your client avatar mostly lives on Facebook, then you should be posting on Facebook. If you know that they live right here on IG, you should be posting on IG. If you know they live on TikTok, you should be posting on TikTok. If they do a range of those things, then post on Facebook, TikTok, Facebook, TikTok, IG on different days of the week. And then guess what? You are starting to build engagement. The key to engagement is consistency. How you stay consistent is by planning. Take one day out of the week. I completely understand. When I first started posting regularly, I would get overwhelmed by the end of the day if I didn't post. I'd be like, oh my gosh, I didn't post. But when you take that one day out of the week and you can be calm and you can be clear, you can give valuable content to your clientele. And that's what it's about. So let's recap quickly. What are the 3 ways that you can plan your social media to get engagement? Number 1, know the message that you want to have. So for example, at the top of the week, what do you want to talk about this week? And then all your posts are about that. All your posts are about that message, whatever it is. So I gave the example of when I use taxes for Hairstylist as my topic for that week. And then I talked about bookkeeping. I had a quote about failing to plan. I did a snippet of a video I did with a beauty CPA. I did all these things that talked on that subject. So for you as a hairstylist, maybe you're going to talk about how to maintain tape-in extensions. And you show the products you like to use, the best shampoos, a before and after transformation of the tape-in extensions, how you should wrap your hair at night when you're using tape-in extensions. All of those things are different ways, but it's one subject. What this is doing is taking the overwhelm and the stress out of posting regularly when all you do is come up with one topic a week and post pictures surrounding that. Right? That's easy to do. And when you do it a week before and just schedule out your posts, then you don't have to worry about posting at the end of every single day. You already have it scheduled. All you have to do is hit post. I like to use the app Planoly, but there are several other apps out there that you can use, and they are free. A lot of them are free up to a certain point. And the last thing that we discussed is having a bank. Okay, so whether you think you're going to use the pictures or videos still take them and have a bank for the days that you may feel like you don't have content. So if you are doing a great transformation in the salon, maybe it's a color correction, then what are you going to do? Take a before and after picture, take video during the process. Everyone loves a good reel, and you can do a combination of pictures and videos with your reel. You can do all types of things, but just take the content, even if you're not sure if you're going to like it. There are times where I'm like, you know what? I don't feel like taking a picture, especially the last color correction I did was 6+ hours. I was over it. But I had to take that after picture. Why? Because it's good content. So whether you think you're going to use it or not, take the photo. Take the photo. Take the video. And then you may not post it for, I don't know, you may not post it for a while. But guess what? You have it in the bank. So thank you so much for watching. Listen, if you guys haven't went to DeandreGiselle.com, you should. I have a good resource for you. It's 5 tools that every hairstylist needs in their business. Go ahead and download that. It's a free tip sheet for you, giving you the foundation of having a successful business. And while you're there, look at the other free resources that I have for you as hairstylists on my website, because I'm here to support you. Thank you so much for watching Money Mondays, and I will see you later. Signing off, Deandra Giselle, your business coach.